Alrighty, first try with my GoPro. We're on our way to Chris Kemp's Ross area at the moment. We have a couple of pickups. That's Rossi over there. That's Squirrel, the pain in the ass. Did I say ass? Right, butt. Alright, that ferry's coming in. Perfect timing. We're gonna cross the river here. This is beautiful Clifton Rocks in the Kingston Peninsula, New Brunswick. It's yeah, it's fun, especially when the snow comes. But it's not for a while yet, I hope. So we had a couple of pickups in Rossi. Can't show you pickup because obviously privacy for the customer. And then we have those street scraps we seen when we rode earlier today. We're gonna pick them up. We can show those. And then we're gonna head into the city and we're gonna do some commercial contracts. But we're not gonna show those, but we will show you the truck at the end of the night and what we got in it. So until we hit the streets, we will be leaving you till then, I guess.
There. I hit the stop button.
You hit the stop button. Did it stop? Yeah. Not where that means it's on or still recording. What does it say? Nope. What does it say there?
Nothing. Oh god, that is laggy.
Oh, it's very laggy.
I watched a car go by like 10 minutes later.
So you assume it's not recording because it's not hit.
Now how do I get out of this?
Nope.
Alright, just gonna set that there.
Yep.
Or am I gonna monitor you throughout the night?
Actually just hold on for a second. See, there's an arrow to go back or something up top. Look around, you're a genius.
What's this do?
Whoops, whatever it was, do it again.
Oh, found something. Ah.
There we go. Now you can just up here, Jim's in. Good evening, scrapologists. I'm not sure I said that in the first part of the video or not. I'm just trying out the GoPro at night. And we're all loaded up here now, stop at service station. And here's from our commercial contracts. Not bad. And nice shiny stuff down in there. And there's my street pickup. That and the swing set. And that washer and the deep freeze are from the two pickups we had. So more money. So it's not a bad load for the evening. Go about an hour or so, and hope we don't drag it on the ferry. You're down pretty low. All right, video keeps cutting out on me. It's trying to learn how to use GoPro. But there's the back of the truck again. And there's how much room we got. Not much. And we got a good little squat happening. So it was a pretty good evening so far. Check the other side here. Yep, not a bad squat at all on her chicken handler. Probably about, I'm gonna guess 1,400 pounds of rotors in it. But we'll fix that in the morning. Anyways, see how this video works out. Get home and post it. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Hope there's audio and all that nice stuff. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Y'all have a great evening. God bless.